Hey all, I wanted to do a quick review, not even a review, a demonstration of what's inside this Paxcess 300 portable solar power generator thing. I already took it apart, so I can't show you. Imagine out its box. I already took it apart, gotta have myself. This is a portable solar generator. It has DC output, cigarette lighter output. Here's your input for charging via a wall jack or solar, USB, and then to turn the USB on, 12 volt. I want to take this apart just to show you guys what's inside. The side mount here is a kind of hard to do this one-handed outlet. There we go, the outlet. So it looks like the top part is all the inverter. See that? Oh, that's the inverter. Kind of interesting design. Now, they say this is a updated 2020 version of this Paxcess. I think it's 300 watt hours, whatever. I'll put the link in the description. But I want to open it up and see what the batteries are. I've built a lot of these myself, but I finally just bought a pre-made one, so I actually want to look inside it. So this is kind of interesting. It says JTech 3S8P, and its nominal capacity is 20.8 amp hours. Oh, 224 watt hours. I think they advertise as 300 watt, whatever. But you can see the cell pack here. I'm gonna try to take this out and get on video and show you guys. But what I found really interesting is there's cell holders at the bottom. But this thing isn't the cells, it's like a pre-packed thing. So I don't know why there's a bunch of cell holders on the bottom. They do that for like structural integrity. I also found it interesting that the battery pack has these XT60 connectors and then one here for connecting to this power board. And there's a various set of these connectors here. I don't know what they're for. I don't know what this white one is for either. I think if I can see, now it's all in Chinese. I can't quite read it all. But this board is probably for the front. Now, one of the main reasons I'm taking this apart is it's got a temperature cutoff thing. So if it's too cold, it won't charge. And it's very sensitive, and I can't get this thing to really charge in my solar shed. So I'm trying to figure out just, can I salvage these batteries and use them for something else? Can I salvage this board? Can I even figure out where the temperature thing is? But I'm gonna edit this video and take these packs out and see if I can figure out what kind of cells these are. Don't look too promising of any brand name, but we'll see. Okay, I got well, I can use the wide mode. Oh, wide mode. I got the batteries out, and check it out. They like left it on the cell holder and tucked it away. Okay, so looked up these batteries, CMIRC, whatever. They say 2600 milliamps. Yep. There's no name. They're just AliExpress batteries. There is no, I tried to go on and look them up. They're not even name brand batteries. They're just AliExpress. So this is kind of interesting. It's got the BMS here. Then it's got all the leads for the balancing. I don't know what kind of balancing board this is. It is interesting. Water detection, probably for warranty. But look at these cells. It's like it's almost like when they make a new model, you know, they'll make a 350 watt hours, just use this extra row. And it all fits in here, which is kind of interesting. So I'm guessing this board here is only for controlling this. I gotta find out. I wonder what this does. I have no idea what this does, unless this is just for reading the main voltage. I don't know, it doesn't say, but I don't know. I wish there would have been like Samsung or LG cells in here. Not super impressed. I mean, this thing was only 160 bucks, so I can't complain, but this is what's in there. Kind of interesting. You know, these power packs, you know, they try to be an all-in-one. You know, I got your AC inverter up here. It's really interesting they use XT60s. I mean, at least they're not soldered together, but it's It's also kind of a shortcut. I mean, I guess it makes it for quick assembly. I mean, I use these for all my projects, so it's cool that they use these, but for a professional, I guess it's not a professional product, but for a consumer grade product, you would think they go a little more proprietary in solder, but they probably just mass produce these. Man, that's really interesting. 3S 8P. Huh, I'm curious why they didn't go 4S. I typically do 4S for 12 volt, and they did 3S. That's really interesting. I don't know why they did that. I wonder if I should do that on some of my batteries I built. But check it out. There's a battery. I'll put this back together. I'll have a use for it, but like I said, as soon as it gets kind of near 32 degrees, this thing shuts off and I can't charge it or use it, and then I lose everything, and that's not very good. So there you have it.